That's right. Sure, Baba. Sure. Good afternoon. I do believe so. Oh, yeah. Then I come on the end of the one person out in a dream. Senator is all the yes. You go sway your think na said the die I can no. Mojansu edia fusani e we nipa dua mu. Ye wase da bi onu kuto na ese de ma no. Ene eye yawoda January bosomene de toso aduonu baako the 21st of January 2021. Na efri sabre yi ekopem se ebebo enmenu nsia e Ofie Kwanso. That's right. Now o check time now ebrena so dada for videos of our time. Then the day video and I'm in your chair. Yes, Efnia Abaso and Ayedi. About your bra Facebook says here. This is very important. Oh, and the video now I'm in your channel. Very, very, very important. Na me pesa ubetie. Na watch video no. Oh, and share it. Go on, share it now. Wabushia for wadofo no na fofo omu na so ehu video yi na obi ansua bibi enfiri mu medical catch say videos of our time na e de bre wo no some of the videos are very funny e bi yikakra enra say let me tell you something enra na e pese e show video bi but that video na e pese e show no Facebook will not allow us to show that video. Honestly speaking, and yes, because me akasa kra me share video, matimi an share video no for even a minute. I had to stop watching. Very disturbing. I had dream pa. Oda dachi bi ebe kan wasem. And some of the videos no, ye chira say ye be sua bibie free mu. And na videos ni bi won so ebe mo asre, what I say. It be very hilarious near the yeah. So as me tie cast be say amount for nyanse hu omudi omo record omo enso nyanse be oh na ya hwe bi na de say yesre on yasre baby on so say timi sua bi di free mu patrol join me on Facebook this here na and the video no me ne wonche de ntia me ka sef na abaso ne yedie ne say enei emre wo mu nyemre pa na ya hwe yi a Ebedi adokno kwa. Sade ade ne ekeka kono ayehu. Na nanka enim se akiri adwodwo anka yehwe anim kwa se 2021 yi de adwo ke be fom fala. Na de 2020 entimi aye no ke de vi mo ahyem ne aye ni nyina. But looking at the situation on the ground, said the name ekeka kono. Ade na yehu. Coronavirus asema na mekai. Yare ba afoforo no echi nkrofo a said na ye omo no. Enti wankasa kra wonye doctor wonhye da ni yare ne hunimdie bia but hu nipa yodi da bi ade de ne ko enti won men no but ene die ya bai de wo a wode ho nankasa kra wonam ho no ebetimi abase yare no wonya bi na so wankasa nkasa kra wonim se wonya bi, and that's what makes it dangerous. So anhwe yi a what the best and Ofie phone because and yes team na you didn't know you had it. So what I say into the best and on for on your more adwuma mu nyina omo am do obeko hia kromo business now this and and yes team na na wa hye and now ebo apoyo but you don't know so wo yare no and answer obia oya na symptoms no show no ne tese said your bobo wa binya de ohwe ya hadwen kakra na ne ba pese oben no so nim how deadly this disease is na anhwe yi na se koba se enu bi na wanya o de akoma ne banti no so e pampam ne ba no from say obeba ne nchen na why solitude ho I mean ya tete and then me pese me no check video bi bra Facebook sisi ana ye nhwe sa video no na mame will be wa mame ron no wa na menka ho asem kakra nkyere atifo na fi also or access to Facebook no me pacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook boru mu osisi a na yencha video no na uguso na wo hwe no na eho afutu no me ron ama kakrakra na yina yemfa entu ye ho fona ade no ko ayehu okay so video na me no change ko video na ready Edem. All right, eti patro momra Facebook news is am behu video no. It's about coronavirus NNA. Ye no eche ho asem kakra. Na ye na yesua bibi e wo ho. Se de ekeka ba no. Ayehu pa. Ayehu papa. Eti je code video na to e wo Facebook no so patro join me on Facebook sisi a. Na yenhwe na yenka ho asem. Na onso watimi ehunu bi. Ehu. Eti mo hwe video no aiwa from sesa mami. Aiwa. E dey na I don't know boy when briska za. Ofa me sesa mami o. Okay, ofa mami akoy. E dey for mumua me aiwa dey so no ade be me no dey mi. Anyways, enti mpacho video no e na e show e wo Facebook no. Enti ko Facebook sisi a. Ko Facebook no sisi a. Adom 106.3 FM na ehwe video no na esua bibi kakra efrimo na bia mo amuni access to Facebook no mi twa mfoni kakra nchemu ye na ya tete se coronavirus no asama no so biem amama ya hodo so enye yen ban mu anko a na this time round no said the eye no ne ho ehu mo esa se no oba waso ye anase oba onchen a on hyase na nsankyerani bi adi ema unhu say yare no na wanya no oba no abesie enti before so be sha say we show symptoms no na che say wadi wawu awie dada wasi wuwo kwan so tube nwo wan yare o so ensu na wawu ti wahwa owuo na edidi so eba this time na no ohye enti ase na etimi hwe na yema yani da ho e wo yare ho enti de bra Facebook sisi na hwe video no now video na mi ya kire wo Facebook no wa woni access to Facebook ameka wasem kakra che no asem ni na say enei the new coronavirus na abano enhwemu ni say it may not show and I say it may not show any sign and I say symptoms bia of infection for many days and you know for many days and say be obeka for first day pe for many days on show she say waba abesrawo no na enso ehyo ho enti ni sanete dia how can one know if he or she is infected kwan be na be fa so obehunu eno asem ena sisi ye de brewi enei de umni say de sese wo ye ne say abribia ubenya fever bia na say cough bi ni ade no ye na anim say esese ukọ hospital na the omuni say virus no say the was san ho so oba no be show video mu na say the medical kan on show any sign of infection bia na wasie obetimi a for some days eti by the time obe complain say wo nya fever bi na ade na say wo nya cold afi wo be sha say wo show nema bi dead your system nim say wo yare no ebedru ho no na wadi wawu awie dada enti obetu na mo so kwa kodu hospital no na che say 50% fibrosis edi can take place awie dada wa bawura lungs mu won ma che say wa sha say ese ho kra dada it na akwese wa hospital all right but are you too late enu se akrofu wu no abusua we enema eye hu no ene dia expert dia ba no say ye was simple self check ye nyina ye betimi aye no every morning na bo ame ehu say ye wo yare bia na ye ni bi de so ya edikan eni o say take a deep breath na wa hold it ohome no wo mu ohome ko how do you say o twin fama ko mu say ohome ko mu kese pa na wa hold nsa fama na ma agina mu what I say for more than 10 seconds. So what me yen say successfully na wa more wa kuhu and now when you discomfort biya there any stiffness biya it means say we okay na the moment I be hold this our breath na safe untimi stand it afi na at once one shase e ba na ade na say aboa ne te inside ho a wa hye na adwuma ase it is so looky sharp e betimi aba se ubenya tiredness bi so aka ho eno e prove say wanya science ya meken ya eno no che say fibrosis bi anya e ma lungs no mu na che say wo ye okay a che say bacteria no e ma ho na mum se dem bi kan no se ewa we ko piepie mu ni ade dia ene na se o mo wani da ho isa se emi eye nyan ye trust ko enu ma say in critical time say we self check no every morning in an environment with clean air no say obi bia timi ensure say nano ene ni minimum no moist all the time ye ka say ho moist and just say o ma wanum ene minimum ewo and say ho dry if free sa break yi enu nti no omo recommend say ebeya from this time going say ultimate take a few sips of water every 15 minutes bia at least na etimi aboa reason na ne say virus no ebia unim wakofa baabi na wanya na abowura wanum a the moment out taking nsuo no etimi wash virus ne down straight na wakọ oyam instead say obeko akoka eye ominimu wono na wahya se adi nsemone no e wash it down through your throat na akọ eye o stomach now the esasa ohya nsu ni se okono koto o stomach mu na okoto oyam a o stomach acid na ewo mu no ebe kill virus no ema ontimi survive enu ti obi nya say from time to time obenunum ensuo kakra sip kakra sa. Now if you don't drink enough water more regularly and then actually say enya de papa kra esese osesa usuban efrio esa say virus no ekọ ominimu a ene wani beba ahoso no na wabawura lungs no mu na wahase adinsemone ho e wabra un show sign bia enso wahase edi wawu eti ebeya from time to time no nomusuo na se koba se wabawura mu ho kra already na atimi washing it down ama wakoyam ukoduru yam won so dia definitely stomach acid na ewo mu no ebehwe akile virus no abra ontimi yohwe ye nyina ye nhwe na ye ntimi nye saa de wi na ye make sure say betimi so asan aboye ho ban baby anipa atwahia bebre no enkoho woni adwuma bi a wa atena fie nkowura nipam na wakofa sam de abafie na fe ye face mask no so ye menya asemia say abri bia e best step into public place bia na say itimi hye eno nkodan chen no so no ye nsa hohoro no so ye very important obi wa chinchin kromu a wo de say ye nchiachia nti unkochia obi a all right but wonam no de ne nam from amunim de abe contact wonsa okodu fie aduane bia na okwa akosomu akwa akodi bi ese na yetimi hwe na ye wash ye nsa ne yi kama with soap and running water. And in situations where enonya available no alcohol based hand sanitizers one make sure so be used to be kama na eno so etimi aboa na ye nyina yabo ye ho ban etiene videos of our time de no che no say in na ye fa educate ye ho se be ya betimi aboa na yabo ye ho ban afi eye sa yare ho edama say as we move on there's another now the reason why you need to put on your face mask made this picture no so be sure when you look at it while the be too hofo and you be na for so say kona ekoshe eye face mask no right yeah fast that can say Emma Bell Chapman Obamodin amount can be away any the new party sensation in town a boy ye pa not just our partner say de kama obi obanum bia gitum sampa imuye a special cocktail available in 330 and then 500 ml bottles more filled with lime, blackcurrant, lemon and then packed with vitamins now very low in sugar nti wa hotoso se and for how be answer emerald one pack be unya 16 bottles for a cool price for furniture shops and stores and supermarkets how do ni name on sa ebeka wo de dodo pa no afre Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and after 055 538 5900 after first day my JK Company Limited ono ene the sole distributors at the Nataraj product here in Ghana. Ubewremu a ene stationary product ahodo ni nyina na ho ano manfo nyina eje no. Kola back to school and womasua ho akade ni nyina no ye gini na e de afi JK Company Limited. Nataraj product papa say ye pens, say ye pencils, pencil cases, crayons, map sets ni de kan ka ni nyina no. Obeba ya so ye no aba ba gini na. Sanso ne wo ye JK exercise books, afi JK 5-star A4 A3 papers. Ni nyina e available. The omuni na ne say and they omo bie bookshops ahodo ni na stationery shops no nyina no eho eno mbeji ne ma papa yi eno mde akugu na mso de kakra toto so enya aton enya omo so emfa so e de abombra e de okomani patron chi akwan number 60 Otublohum Street close to Christ Embassy where North Industrial Area oba e be serve come pa enya sanso ade friend na send in WhatsApp fa sa number yi so 0540 125-999. That's 0540-125-999. Na yashe assorti out come up. Dominion herbal powder and also enable na wetimi I build a strong immune system. Is say mre wo mu nyemre pa. Enu ti immune system no ho ye den de a infections be about system no a enu ahwe timi boa na a fight against sa infection no Dominion herbal powder na ma we immune system no honye den science so boy normalize blood pressure heart and kidney related problems ni now so if you wow spine and now say joint baby attire or ya adwuma kitu bi atebre stroke ni diabetes ni no e pampam ni na obenya bi ato e herbal shops how do ni name across the country dodo pa no na wahwehwe Angel Dominion Herbal Center chi akwan wo enkoko enki and yes I order free 0543 158 195 and our fee 020-429-6449. Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Abusha say situation a woman intino. Say onam na bibi ni na hitsin now the handkerchief na papa na we are the handkerchief na shobotum enye guy. On the empachi so nam wan ade na fife bi ati wani mu na do handkerchief papa no wasan de shobotum obi okro ne ba ne nam on the handkerchief people na nim sweat ne ade ne ba no so ye hit no de akofa ne hwena no masa ade na yi jaisa si say sa ade na twem si say the obu na ne say Flora disposable handkerchiefs and aba Flora disposable handkerchiefs and no na say aba but more than we a handkerchief ya no in a tissue form what you say a chese we no obomoden anya bia what the paper we ya no we disposing of sharp enti whatever infection bia be bam bia wato atwene wie unsan fa nkoye hwe biem na ya to yebo ase aye no kuma kama said ye be kɔ ho enti be men na utimi de shop pocket mu enkoye kumfam bia ho oba utimi de shop person mu kama na nam opekura kita na de ball life because package ni need efe kama ne bo so fofofo sabe yo bia betimi atobi no atobi nso de ache awo anase afoforo aka etu bia emenye na semia Flora disposable handkerchiefs say eno na aba ye yusu ne de aboy ho ban e wo sabre e wo mu ti enye handkerchief ade shesho wo isa yi dabi wa him hogum ne sa sho butum za o de kwede me jai sa de no but mo de amount sanka Flora disposable handkerchiefs bi na e yusu bi e very 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 affordable we a product fee Delta Paper Mill Limited for Aswe. For further inquiries and bulk purchase, Pomodian say Obefre Delta Paper Mill for 0243 033 033. That's 0243 033 033. Na dudu bia unye bia no. Yebema onso onsa etimi aka. Yada mwase abusu baby edu no. And then person me try surprise kakra. What the time? Just about 4 minutes to 4. Me pese enyom no ye no ye born live studio no ye born from Fidie no enti we no men cash in show but a start here while being your feeling on what you say enti you're more live you're more live from the studio Charlie, I love the strings striking kakrane krum fina nkwenim na fie eko yes Obet me joining live on Facebook. Now I should be our studio dear Koso. That's right. Ebeka say artist ben what the bra Facebook be hwe out there bra Facebook na be hwe
When the night has come, oh, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I would never be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So my darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Won't you, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Won't you, darling, stand by me? Stand by me. When the skies that we look upon should tumble and fall, or when the mountains should crumble to the sea, I won't cry. No, 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 no. I would never shed a tear. Oh, just as long as you stand by me. So my darling, stand by me. Won't you stand by me? Oh, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, you gotta stand by me. Won't you stand by me? Oh, darling, stand by me. You gotta stand by me. When that we look upon should tumble and fall, oh, when the mountains should crumble to the sea, I wouldn't cry.
Wow.
No, 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 no. I will never shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me.
Whoa, Charlie. Hey, what a voice. Charlie, yeah, they are turning me down and no man to know me. Charlie, how do you do this? Now, hey, this is too much now. This is too much. No, but tell me, KJ, tell me, at what age and now one kasa would discover, say, I mean, you've got this beautiful voice, and I mean, you can sing, and you started singing.
Age, dear. I can't say. You
see, and you see, how say, you have that deep voice,
yes.
Eh?
Yes.
But how you able to manage it and you do baby and woman that you know, Charlie,
Grace.
You don't do on there, so. Wow. Yes. So before I'm out for Babette, I don't know. I mean, tell me, what's the age in the own team? But What were you singing? What were you doing?
You know, I was singing in church. I was singing.
And do you still do? And I say,
I still do.
Okay.
I still do. I mean,
because you see the
I believe that, you know, whatever you've been given, you need to give back. You understand? So that is where we are grounded.
Okay.
So I still
I love that. Very important.
That is where we are
very, 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 very important. Yeah.
So I started in church and I started playing at different places and all that. So when I saw that this music has given back to me as well, I decided to give it back to the music because I mean, when I was in uni, I went to Legon. I studied psychology. So when I was there, actually music helped pay my fees.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
So, no, I'm interested in that story.
Okay. So I had a family friend first paid my first year. And so after the first year, I was on my own, you know. So I was thinking, what do I do? What do I have? And I realized that I have this vocal ability.
I'll beat me that tronum kakrania there.
Okay, my main country.
Tree no dey say. What's Adom now?
Me who say meet me atunjo on into me core programs. Into sorry programs and a school, so I'm here programs and other things. Into me core programs and I'm a charge kakra. If you have no bless me kakra. So into me the sa na maboa no kakra na, you know, by the time you be a school, then I have, you know, some other monies and then I can be able to pay my fees plus some loan I took.
Yeah.
So basically no music e boa me pa school. And me we school no, if you juma cobra sa na me say Charlie. Me was our talent to it.
Yeah.
And me used to start talent to it there be for myself. And at the end of the day, you know, that's what it is.
Yeah. But you see, you do more songs, but I am not sometimes. I mean, being in the industry and you've got this beautiful voice, in fact, this great talent. I say, Jina Mike, China, Tonuma. And Crawford, winning awards, why male vocalist of the year. A beautiful voice, and baby, as I would do. But how come we are not seeing you like dead? I mean, is it that one person wow be taking it to that level or what?
Oh, there be one thing I mean, say, there is time for everyone.
Yeah.
There is time for everything. And yet Ubia sabi no TV so. And you Ubia so now probably maybe Ubia tenenka.
Yeah.
But aside that, no, we are doing well. So it's like I say me want me niche market.
Okay.
That I work with. So what I say. But the thing is that Ghana hano. Say where my personal view.
Okay.
Ghana hano say unye some kind of songs me promote I say most of the DJs some pay very banging songs get me a
danceable ones
but we believe you said that we can't all be doing the
same thing. Yeah,
as I say now different vibes.
Yeah,
that makes it, you know, nice. Because they will be the same thing. Then what's the specialty? What's the uniqueness? So what I say, it depends on our DJs and gatekeepers.
Yeah,
and all those people to open up their minds to other genres of music. So what I say,
yeah,
brother, we are meaning by say nene. And also blues and arts. Like this is if a high life, you know, category or VGMAs, if a dance hall category or, you know, VGMAs and all that. There are other categories.
Okay.
But me and me believe you say it's about unity. And if that category comes together, we can have a bigger voice to also, make a claim in the industry. Basically, it's not like in Juma na Sevi, but when you say industry neteno, I say I one way be.
Yeah. Matthias, and we'll come back to the places that you play near so that if on person more enjoy while you do your thing now you can't and no some kakra but yeah, let's do some more music. Yeah, bombing.
Okay, next. Next one we me original song. May one original song before I go back to a popular cover.
Okay.
We are friend thank you because when say COVID, no other things, a lot of things have been happening around the world. It's been affecting us.
Okay.
By the end of the day, God has been good. He's been good to us. Even as a country, COVID we nanka enka bakukra
at all.
In God.
Yeah.
All right. Na 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 na. Yeah. All I wanna do is to lift my voice and say, thank you, God, for everything. All I wanna do is to lift my voice and say, thank you, God, for everything. You've been my saving grace when I had no one. You stood by me through the ups and downs. You've always been my strength throughout these years. Thank you, God, for everything. So this is just a snippet of the song.
Yeah.
All right. So the next one is a much popular song.
Okay.
Jim FM.
Yeah. Yeah. You got a fast car, I got a ticket to anywhere. Baby, we make a deal. Baby, together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me and you, we got nothing to lose. Yeah. See, you got a fast car, I got a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. You and me, we got nothing to lose. Yeah. Alright. See. My old man's got a problem. Lives with a bottle, that's the way it is. Body's too old for working. Body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. Wanted more from life than he could give. Somebody's got to take care of him. I quit school, that's what I did. Oh. See. I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. Your eyes from lights around my shoulders. I had a feeling that I belong. I had a feeling I can be someone. Oh, see. Don't you know talking about a revolution. Sounds like a whisper. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Sounds like a whisper. Yeah. While they're waiting in the welfare lines, crying on the doorsteps of those on means of salvation, wasting time in unemployment lines, sitting around waiting for a promotion. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Sounds like a whisper, yeah. Poor people gonna rise up and get their share, yeah. Yeah. Poor people gonna rise up and take more stairs. Don't you know you better run, yeah. Yeah, don't you know you better run, yeah. Finally the tables are turning back. Talk about revolution, oh yeah. Finally the tables are starting to turn. Talk about revolution, yeah. While you're waiting in the welfare lines, crying out the doorsteps of those on means of salvation, wasting time in unemployment lines, sitting around waiting for a promotion. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Sounds like a whisper, yeah. Don't you know? Talking about revolution. It sounds like a whisper. Don't you know? Talking about revolution. Sound like a whisper, like a whisper. Baby. Don't you know that? Talking about a revolution. Sounds like a whisper, like a whisper, like a whisper, like a whisper, like a whisper. Don't you know? Talking about revolution.
Wow.
Sound like a whisper. Don't you know?
What a voice!
Talking about a
Goodness! My mom is saying, why didn't Wow. Charlie, you go so I am vibing with KJ now. More there. In fact, so how can people get to enjoy this and more? And from time to time, I know there are some joints that you play and boy home komo kakra.
Okay, for some time, Mejai joints, no.
What jai? Oh.
Was that the last time you have a interview? No?
Yeah.
Just before that, na Mejai.
Sir.
Because I decided to say, at a point, as I say, we are exit strategy. We cannot play joints regularly.
Yeah, sir.
And I decided to say, me and my band, Kingsmen, and some of my friends, music friends, would events, like special events.
Oh, okay.
And recently, any Silicon House Productions, some 2-hour program.
Oh, okay.
It was awesome. And basically, right now, me events. And about weddings, about awards, award shows, about weddings, about award shows, about your friend is saying private dinners and all that now. So I just think so. Pursue whom a party. Meet me and the social media.
Okay.
Me videos, everything that I do, no, me post you. So I tell you, and the social media, Instagram, KJ Live.
Okay.
KJAYLIVE. KJ Live.
Okay.
YouTube, KJ Soul Music.
Okay.
KJSOULMUSIC.
The normal soul now.
What's it?
The normal soul now.
Normal soul now. And
okay.
Your friend is saying, Maka Facebook.
You've mentioned
a KJ Live.
Oh, okay. All right.
And on Twitter, a KJ Live GH.
Okay. Okay.
A KJ Live, except YouTube.
And KJ Soul Music.
Soul Music.
Okay. Okay. So it means that you are open into say bia ubi any event be onomo befrewa you and your Kingsmen. Okay.
Yes,
Mobeba to entertain them with good music. Come say yeah. Yes. Now, Mami bisa ask our question we. Not related to Ghana.
Okay.
One of your favorite artists.
My favorite artist?
Yeah.
Okay, we have two favorite artists. Bakoye Bob Marley.
Really? You say if you have a car, lady, Tracy Chapman,
they are one of my favorites, but some of the top ones in America.
Okay.
Bob Marley. And the next one, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Okay.
Because they stand for something.
What is it about them? Tell me.
Someone said Bob Marley is about freedom of the people. So as I say, he stands for justice. He stands for peace. He stands for everything positive. So as I say, and Michael Jackson is soulful. Like whatever he does, you can really feel that this is real. So I say, nim cry or tunyumuna, what voice in the crowd when say way true, like he's real. He's just singing his heart out.
Okay, so do you know what we're gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
Obeto my your friends and my Michael Jackson number no to Bob Marley back. Let's start with Bob Marley first.
Okay, let's start with Bob Marley.
Yes. Which Bob Marley song are you going to do for us?
In vain.
Okay. Yeah. Beautiful one. Let's go.
Yeah, man. Waiting in vain.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, see. For the very first time I placed my eyes on you, my heart says follow through, yeah. But I know now that I'm way down on your line, and the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like I'm a puppet on the street, 'cause I know how to do my thing. Yeah, don't talk to me if you think I'm dumb. Tell me when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause if summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there. See, I'm still waiting there. Bring it out, see. It's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your doors, and I still wanna knock some more. Ooh, girl.
Goodness.
Is it all I wanna know now? For I to knock some more. Yeah, I see in this life there is so much grief, but your love gives me relief. Baby, tears in my eyes burn Tears in my eyes burn while I'm waiting for your love. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love, baby. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love, darling. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love, darling. 'Cause if summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there.
Oh man. Oh. That was beautiful.
Thank you very much.
And people are loving it. Easy. I mean, getting so much messages there. Mommy really have very message tomorrow. Vero said, "Oh my goodness, Jerry, this man is blessed. I have to stop everything I'm doing and listen to him. You made my day, Charlie."
Thank you, Vero.
Why Nina? But Miriam Fee, he didn't know.
Jackson didn't
know.
Okay,
Michael Jackson didn't say, "Yeah, no, they count." All right. So now, with the and now I mean, who say you are available, you amount for bed, invite to programs and events near there. You and your guys will come play near. What about music? Like put the album together or something. I mean,
about that.
How about that one too?
Yeah, this we
and Michael Jackson. Let's talk about that one. Yeah.
My name is band. We are working on a project between January.
But wait. Message with the mood to do. Also listening to the guys sing. I almost got orgasm. This is heavy. Oh, Rash, baby.
Wow.
You see what your music is doing. I mean, what your voice is doing to people.
That's not my intention.
Oh man. Anyway, putting an album together and what's him.
Yes, I'm putting an album together with my band, Kingsman, and we for some time now I'm per se writing.
Okay.
Because now my messages I very it was not real.
Okay. But if you say your message were not real,
like there were some songs that I'd sang that I had not experienced. Like
really?
I've not gone through that. So when I was singing them, me feel say me tonikeke song. But this time around, all the songs on that album, are things that I've gone through.
Oh, okay.
So if I've experienced God, I write about it. I experienced pain, I wrote about it. The fact that sometimes Nkofo show say omodo, but
and maybe it's not real love. And not keke. Yeah.
So obi beka say omedo kasake, but so obi a ese say utre say odo nipa no.
Yeah.
So inti all these things no I've been to we beka say omeboa, but kasake.
Just a promise.
A promise.
Yeah.
So on ye deed it's just another word. So I believe say to really.
So with all those experiences, and now write about.
Write about, because to really touch lives.
Yeah.
Because music personally to me, is like a conversation.
Okay.
So music is about upliftment and positivity. And to really make an impact in people's lives, it's about the truth.
All right. Ochame wakunda kwa obi a cheso no wa been away industry for a very long time. Now, TSM wa Jerry, this guy knows what he's about. The two musicians he mentioned makes him great. Yes, he is good. Okay, so now let's do MJ.
Okay, this song, We Are the World.
Okay.
Actually, I chose this song because in this time We really need
Yes, we need that song. The way Corona and knocking left, right, center idea. We need that. We need that.
Okay. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that the world, someone is gonna make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, this life is all we need. We are the world. We are the children.
That's right, yeah.
We are the ones to make a better place. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making.
Wow.
We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better place, just you and me. Oh, send them your heart so they know someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth is life is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a better place. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
Oh my goodness.
It's true, we make a better place, just you and me. We're dying out, let's see the hold on. But if we just believe, there's nowhere we can fall. We're dying out, there seems no hope at all. But if we just believe, there's no way we can fall.
Oh man. I say Bibi minimum. My goodness. The way you were able to change, Charlie. No. You are something else.
Thank you.
Sandy Asedu. I'll say if your girl meets this guy, that's the beginning of the end of that relationship. I'm not on this and my girl, I'm more. I'll say, oh my goodness. Message Ira. Okay, this guy is so versatile. All right. You been the conversation I wish Senka. You better to us a boss I have 6 but Charlie papa. And don't stop this. I'm glad say you've been able to put a band together.
Yeah.
More events near the I mean, wherever it is that you want to get to with this, you get there because you've got what it takes. You know, and you see, all struggle to do what you're doing. You said they ought to relax, cry, they are not on my voice, so they are far, or my so they are fast, and they are come up. So just keep up to it. $21 in the US. I'll say, all right, now, where people can get you and your social media handles and your touch on that one be very important. Now, a make us say weekend yeah will be wedding be bus will be a last minute booking be me let's have that one more time Nafi.
Okay. And social media Instagram KJ Live at KJ Live. So KJAYLIV.
Okay.
KJ Live. It's the same thing for Facebook, KJ Live.
Okay.
And now about we are YouTuber, KJ Soul Music. Now.
Okay.
KJ Soul Music.
Great.
And now Twitter, KJ Live Gene.
That's nice.
My number no so. 0249 512.
Say Momo was wrong.
135.
Momo, what register Momo was wrong. On number say Momo was wrong. Say on number to me the receive Momo.
When your Momo number no.
And
2% Momo.
Nam ka say Momo was because said the omo ye there. We say Momo bibi su there there.
Momo number no there. Okay.
Okay, the fan number to join.
Okay, and we use two numbers actually. Into 0550 431 991. 0550 431 991. Okay. And 0249 512 135.
Okay.
And basically that's it. KJ Live on Instagram, KJ Live on Facebook, KJ Live KJ Soul Music on YouTube, and KJ Live GH on Twitter.
Felix Bell 88 show no all the way Qatar Doha. Or say it be like some of us there. God didn't give us voice to cry. I beg, ask him the secret about his voice. Why? Yo, me tell you, obey me who be your mamma. And come here, mamma, I made your mom that me how that Qatar. Yes, it could do. I could do this. And so still. Oh, that was okay. All right. So see, before I be jamu akono. Usually around this time now, I just a short message you did to your home as you are here with us, no, you mount that opportunity. Now, any message be had be mine under 2 minutes. Now you into your home.
Okay, message near very simple. Bibia obinya no. Do it with all your heart.
Great.
Give yourself, be selfless about it. Men dream to like just do it.
Okay.
That's the message.
I love that message. Bibia oyeno. Eh? Yes. Fiwakuma munna ne fire. Thank you very much for that message. Simple and nice, but very, very, very deep. Yeah, that was a power for blessing us with this performances plus this great message this afternoon. Yami Sharpa. But I can't let you go without doing this one. Say Obi Domi. Anyway. Beautiful song.
I can feel it in your touch. I hear it in your voice. I see it in your eyes. There. If you don't love me anymore, please tell me, let me go. If you don't want me anymore, tell me, let me go now. Somebody loves me. Loves me. Somebody loves me. Somebody loves me. Loves me. Somebody loves me. I'm tired of these games. Darling, life is too short.
Jim FM.
I'm not a little boy, so don't treat me like a toy. And I was to say, it sounds to say, and I'm in deep. What did you do? So tell me, let me go now. Somebody loves me. Somebody loves me.
Sing along.
Somebody loves me. Loves me. Somebody loves me. I can feel it in your touch. Baby, I hear it
you telling me lies. If you don't love me anymore, please tell me, let me go. Tell me, let me go. If you don't want me anymore, tell me, let me go. Now let's go. 1, 2. Somebody loves me. Somebody loves me. Somebody loves me. So don't waste me. Somebody loves me. Loves me. Somebody loves me. Tell her to feel your voice.
Me horrible voice.
I didn't feel the voice wrong, man.
Oh man. Anyway, so that's Obi Domi, and this one features Adina. Very beautiful one, Charlie. And you I'm a dead dread. I mean, you know that. You don't say this one there. All right, Charlie.
I want to say thank you to a few people, if you permit.
Oh, sure. Go
first
on.
First of all, I want to say thank you to Nenena, the singer, guitarist.
Yeah.
He's been my friend for a very long time.
Wow, that's good.
And he believes in my.
That's nice. That's nice. God bless you. More corner about together. That's what it is. And channel one corner. No, they do things behind you. They kill you small.
And I want to say thank you to God for such a beautiful voice. Thank you to Adom FM, Papa Bills, Jerry Justice. I mean, it's been awesome having me.
Yeah.
And thank you to a few people, my pastor. Shout outs to Eben, one of my sound engineers, McCoy, Paulina, my neighbor. The names are actually they are jammed up. Thank you to everyone.
All right.
Thank you to my family as well.
All right. Okay. Oh man. Dia kani na de beto aso de ama on. Yeah, fast that can say my proud sponsors on my boy my da yeti asem we to your home for. And na futu no. KG na de ma yeah. Yeah, fast that my yeah door master and Pubiman Pin Depot. I'll say enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Door type will be our PBI where I swear over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Or buy a paint session one also. And they are partner with News Paint. Yeah, paint. I saw twice what from acrylic to emulsion to enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpapers, wall primers, potty, na face so paint accessories nina. And they say schools, churches, government institutions, offices, outdoor individuals. Mobet me a bank. Yeah, more akwenya we paint now, pay later. Beji paint if I could paint you down and if I could real project now. Later on where to with no interest. Ube door master and put my paint depot on the Accra Kumasi Highway. War put my tow booth one. In fact, so you tow booth one when you to your shop no more. Phrase 050-021-2447 and our phase 0542-745-222. As they do, farmer in boost about measure, aka police in the drone. A dry boy, strong immune system. I bring you and on the air for the Amawo. Arabia hinta oni peduan so ayeboa etuna se efi ni peduan mu na ho atimi ato kama pa obenya bia ato ewo King's Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable about shops across the country. And our Faith Health Alert Shop here was St. John's. And also now called Tema Community 5, Little George Health Shop at Honsu ABL. And yes, our phrase 0243-115-948 and our 0246-208-496. MTN saying can yourself from the 2nd of April 2021, you'll be required to present a valid national ID card anytime you visit a Momo joint BS or Kwakoye transaction. Yeah, your way to help keep you receiving cash. Now, what me handle transactions in a safe and a secure way. That's why we're good together everywhere you go. Yes, so Momo it everywhere you go. Yes. Time about mixture and also you can for the amount and the omni na say malaria fever na tete on kwa dia a time about mixture unya binu a ebe treat malaria fever na ma ho ato sisi a wanumu ato a untimi ni di no benya appetite ne back wona mo ye nyina so be ko KNG herbal capsules no so no eboa eno ye for general well-being ebe ma ho asi ho so temper eno ina ya available Kings Walk Herbal, Repash Ventures, Rich Jones and Azidos Herbal ni na o kan shi drug lane. I feel call ye Ekus Pharmacy by class Larry and I feel with Dama ni na wa Shama na ho so be bi Tribe of Judah e wo Kaswa Farmer Trust e wo Wager Junction. And yes our phrase 0244 417 669. Now you sort you out, come on. Okay, so baby, I do near Bema and Penny for Akasa, Nafi, your boy round commonum, Nemo, Mr. Emmanuel Nyumpo, aka Askia. Last time about said the best interview I've listened on your program ever. I pray that God. He asked God takes him higher. Okay, yo. All right, yeah. Monrem na penifon kasa na fi yenko yenim.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Okay, until we only say the pair. I am Master of Kumchacha Aborem.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Great. Nafi of Mamia Bem.
Other for me didn't this sissy chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Okay. Nafi offer any area.
Open program one dedication fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Oswin, marketers ne back ha. In fact, obon ho modin yipa. Na Oswin say uti dwumadi no na why enjoy interview no pa na ope title of the song na KG enyom no pacho Obidomi. Husband and one am there man. All right, Kwaku Akwaba.
Yeah, Adro.
And put him to say,
Nyame adum be fine.
Yeah, the Nyamias.
And then before say me kasa kra no mama we say one beautiful lady be birthday. Nidin de tell ma Youngson.
Okay. Otonde. To bet me awit now enye bindia birthday bia na happy day anim. Yetimi ne Kwame yewo we bet me the brofufufo bia hye nim to wish
me wish a blessed birthday.
Yes, and no
me wish a blessed birthday.
I wish somebody birthday. You don't say that. The truth must be told. You cannot just say
who just one for happy and show come what may there should be happy in front of the birthday birthday.
But you can't say I wish you birthday and you perform one you can radio so
we should wish a year to my Youngson birthday papa. Na tell ma yes our friend Abenakoko.
Okay.
Opini ba papa oye adwuma wo Ghana Revenue Authority.
Okay.
Industrial area. Oh yeah, me pacho say and yes I do oye fine lady pa me the photo betro this here. Me wish
fine channel. Any kwaku me the betre wa. Obi aye wish obi kura ujina oye fine channel.
Any me the betre wo why? Picture na me dey show me what's up ma.
There be now cause obi an person pictures for that one.
Me wish tell my happy birthday. Nyako na onye ne kese.
All right.
Otu onsa hwe mini fa so afi na e breakfast abi. So pa no boni ni say. Obi ma breakfast I won't try my drive time so o time so ade ba adwuma san na ade aba me ba adwuma ma 5 o'clock
Kwakuje me say obi a me prepare akodi sopa no
So
me ko so pa no.
Ay breakfast aba. So ti ase but opo no nim say bi ankod be so time dey ni. Papa dey e be ya. But me no me wo hoyi ba pem yisi ni ho. E be hwe gudie. Me ma yare. Enti papa yi wo dey ba ya som. Ma cho hwedi no na e da ma me na se ma ye ya.
Minata. Yes, Minata. Minata and daughter.
Minata and daughters.
Omo tema committee 11.
Minata.
Oh, there be only pani dino no so say Minata. Only dino no. Omo committee 11. Ukra na wa say me say. And na me say me see minimum. Ni din ankasa no.
Enye Minata.
Nipa be kra na
say me na kuma kra o.
Me say e dino no.
The first one tete manchezo onim tema bibia. Bisa no.
Me say ni dino no, ni dino no.
Me o baby o hono ma rampa ni bujudi makwa otetema so onim ho. Oya we. Bisa no. Ti. Kwa me I'm sure minimum wona me na me ko. Sabo me no chere no. Me na me ko. Ono akra no ntimi nchirechiri wo from be. Me dem ma chiri.
How yanka uche wo from.
Ne o twa na afia so nigga pictures. Me kwa me very dey old.
Instagram me show.
Instagram.
And I producer birthday one.
Ben. Yeah, na Benduka birthday. Yeah.
Me ma happy.
Na me boy you coach Benduka.
Young man, God is my baba.
Me was Instagram, right?
Last time we share no.
Me just say me boy say din afi dey.
You can make another the man who doesn't wish at once.
And
if you
Ochame say me misa say what is the difference between the friends say happy birthday any birthday Ochame ko fi me fare
enyo
Ochame ko me Ochame am hapo DJ Mus asem na aka no DJ Mus
say dey make kan
enyo na na Mus DJ
Mus na
I tell man na say be
nana brifa na wa ha
what be da apart from papa ika say
me say matibida utimi we show bi a happy birthday to obi eno ano no one can happy eno no enye by force birthday bi ayede happy be kwa akoshe nim
kwagu manu kransi
oni kwa kwa wanka sanwi
me say me wish the birthday papa manu ansi say ya na etia obetwa entro say has ni rema dada say na oboa
eso say na enye no
open equalization NDC MBP
enye equalization ana collation again
why you that one
yi sama so
be be en friend equalization party
in the anim no waton
in the history of the world yeah we should be say I wish you birthday
and in the history of the world so has to folk any Real Madrid the more border
you say somebody when our birthday and I say as
kwa ti one man na school for bia school kura ma tire bia je mo information o se has ni Real Madrid abo say wo boa
say onti da
eno aso nim say opani ani say me won say no asante say no ya beda ya no mapampa so emfa ho say won makofa buruni aba ye no mapampa so sesi e kase
I say man you me no tears say English Premier League no that top but agrona we ye ene be hu
agrona we say koro yi bebe ye betwam anu no
ye twam say si fa cap ma ho
Ebra me no what did they make am say si eboli na woda 16 na me the 15 kra na me pe ye hian say me da wa pampa so
okay right
what is it esrona na
oh say me dan me pesa dey di say me bobra che
enti fan say mumienu kra mo ko relegation na o won so
ono no be ko na ye ho
Koto ko relegation dia ka be kunku say the koto ko nya bre no fast nya bre no say the relegation crowd they are out
Fabio Gama na dey kwa na say wan
Fabio do dum bako
ono so afi amanfo kan ho nsem group pa o
obani tro so dey afi dey am say kwa me wa dey na aju so be di pa kai say na no ko fa photo bi ba ye say
my phone no
kwa me ba dey
abafaje ka o mu say
duma dey green a eso wo wani ma hu say ade na wo yi
ma wo so to aso
That is that then
and the men trunk that there was stories where
yes so sani man
there was stories
the studio a live studio na o phone so na e bo na ye dede sani man I was pay for yes I you can see to akara bo so na
sani phone on the man band for and say boy do dey nyam man enche bia me
say so yes I ni kwa say bo so me so kure to
mo menchia two fantastic ladies Emilia ena na ayele
Emilia Browe
Debbie Emilia ena na ayele
the program dey say
tie obi ya dia o me nipa granya de nwi de kura asem
Emilia no no ye dey
Emilia ene na ayele omo mienu na wo Ghana Water Ghana Water Company Becheli district office ena omo na omo gba adwuma pa right after Michelle Camp ona
ani omo achi
omo ni achi unu ayi kra unu mateko
unu tobuto
dabi unu okra unu afienya
okay
omo fantastic ladies oni na ayele na won tie ayipa papa na won say
omo yakokwa na tuntun
obako ye kokko na obako ye hone ho
ni modu
but umi bia ni o ye tuntun omo ni aso obo na fine pa me sha utimi say
odi na ohwe
me timi so won ya wa okay ode da me ko me bisa won
oh yeah abo mo ni ma pagu so ti ase
ode da me ko me bisa won
confirm ade kwa me oba de suba mi na pesu nsu
me say da me ko me confirm
me say da nim me bo chirans
me say da me ko me confirm right
e ma won tiantian no aware won de ma
o me kan sa o man kasa me show me body o kwa me ko ba e boy me ko body bu asem me kasa me se me hwa I say man kasa omo
oh I came from here okay you say me hwa
that me person me just like me hu omo a oh that's so bad
kan hawan no be
enti it me change but unim na me kan bibi unim say me call office wo no me kasa no
water company ebi no was ade no kasa ya
no because unim me share face mask na me kasa na no o say o voice dey ese obi wa Adom FM asem o kan no e wa pe na me yedi afi na me kasa bi afi o say on kasa na me say
e ma sa na
wa chi me awie die
udie ko na ulo nipa na okasa na yikra still na wate nkoma awudi etu be wie no ubedi ko no be wie no no amu na te ho twen because na so e fast
iPhone e would da hop etu pe kra unya ko agese uko reduce volume nya sapa de
ene na nya ko papa preko etu ko
o yese ulo no person o hu se ulo no
dabi
oni oba da mpaso wo nya ko ahomache
oni so ko fra ma che side e branches ade wa
ni ankasa kwa unza me de normal me pe code ya ankasa enti me no
na unu ade ni fititi na
o dabi tie enye nsa he me no whether it is business or whatever mostly me nya call na apena na me dey to speaker because phone time maso ho am penti no me ya na me dey to speaker enti no ene bobra pack preko na o course na be ba ni na
nanu ya
oh me did that na sana na me dabi o kwaku na dabi tie kwaku o ton kwadu anu ayi bika did that ya me tu ya me wa ye na me nya ko bia sa na me ye no bia ni se me de me pay
tana wa tana biwa
ene tie kwa me ene se mu pe kra mu kope ayi di ba ko na di hwehwe aso
me de ne bo ma ya si
na mu nya kwa mu ko mu die no bia hu me da me de to speaker
for na deba asumdwe de
opa asumba dwo
opa
program so a obenya
yeah now okay so can hello so ba ko hello
eti anu kwa no so be do say o say ba be yeah
me na me propose ya no
I'm just say hello ni
ayi kwa mi asemi ya na me kan o man kan iti man say o ka bibia me wa ko bo chire man e mo mfa so sa
wayama yehu yakwa ni sunti no ese hwehwem
yekọ wafei na yekọ bo wie ya Fabio Gama konya pitch papa nti ne modern moso ani wi aposifo ho ebetwa ne ho hyiae so mo ni twa foto opani akwa ko hu foto ni bi police fo ejira ho nyina obi a che no smart
na me so ni picture ni bit frame me capture no ko picture show
picture be yi say ibra police fo
o da bi ana wo ye say tie wo ye say de trem ha but man hu so ni ban share face mark and de be dia no mark
Hey, Peja, Papa.
Peja breakfast.
Peja si wanza.
Os me say yam na tasu the grass again.
O da bi o da fasi ona. Ye we bibia. Ye unu debe. Ede mbuna na meke.
Ofi so.
I go for is a nose mask. So, there's no way a police for Ebako Jina Kwako.
Me stories I am Yawano.
Bakut no way in the idea to
Bako.
Oh, I focus on Sebi Kran, and yet,
I just say I don't want to yes, story. I was reading a story to you. That day,
and yet, story almost one can say nose mask.
Almost a police for someone could say, nose mask, and a cost of
maybe 1 hour, yes, I swear. Why would I do that? And yes,
why will I do
Ibra? Why open Ibra?
Open why would I
and Yache drafts for Edu Massimo or Wankasa backyard. Eke Kust. Yes, or more a cabacqua or
why I see.
And you know, Nan saying, so I follow one. Timbaqua and said, Tim Pie dwarfs.
Well, also
and run apart. Mekoya a newspaper review as Sempa. Maestro crack and say, dwarfs for no. I remember saying, no coach in this room can say, a Fabio Gamma, you overhyped player. And on Cajon to make it be. When him say, Maestro came, Yamsham Kaka, now ye ne Olympics, baby. Or else Libashamo and Pa, Tenam Castle of a Bunsam crab. General Kayanam say, on Fananu tree form. General Yashes are necessary, BBI come up. And to say, league, you know, Yamin Chadi, your OT and Mukran say, only dear 1 point, but the woman say, and ye be also be a trouble be celebrated because points in number boss.
Yeah,
Ulusu 1 match, Krana, Obiba be sound, Nipa or that second, third, and the fourth, you know, crown, points near pet. What I say, Inti, your bumpire said, I didn't continue some of Yanko Case, league near trem because you're near break. The near break, Opening
and your number supporters, Ninkasa Nomos on your
Bernard, Le Père was Le Père to the one a technical director, ya, Omdi Nabe.
Kwaku, they read the headline of this story. Read it loudly, okay?
Police officers disregard coronavirus protocols to take picture with Kotoko's Fabio Gamma.
Thank you. But without mask or
no,
me ba. You don't want to get it. Social distance is a problem.
But one can say, mask. Disregard no. Could be said physical distancing on what you say.
Story to the people. Read the story to
you.
Face mask so far I've not seen anything.
social distance and no social ever cost.
No, see. And it's the almost disregard the social distancing. Kind story, no. Almost say, almost some mask. Almost say,
hey, Masa, we a blackmail. We a blackmail. We a blackmail. Let's me picture me see me mahubi.
Yeah, say mo.
Who go to never?
Adene hono. Dia minim na me kan. Onso me go so kind story no nsi.
Na me fa ayi who says as a senior research fellow no.
First na go bia ne mpaboa hi eni di ntro. Na dey say oshu mo no kra na wo di ntro. Eno say suba no kosu ano e.
Senior research fellow who say the whole week no mamu ayi bia said anya fine sir.
Is it dia afa to?
Oh yeah. So
the Aussie school no party so be kwakoje doctor dey onko.
No.
Who is Canada nya.
Say man who say ska wo my doctor dey school dey my friend.
And when is ska wo my doctor.
I don't come despite a doctor. Second is good grow we. And no nkwa. Come so focus nya doctor ka. You be one day why you doctor. I feel me come lecture.
Oh, Joe laptop why?
I'm lecture be akota but if you more assignment to say
Unim say recently na miko hu amount for project works are and me share caption on the amount on social media me share because when you are doing it obey about 4 or so copies one for you me 1 me there and down now the akai na say hwede omo ye no
forget Kokuma men kasa same way
as I come na teacher cat
hwe are who bra be brepa before you able to put this together
ye hu nipa bone bone we nipa trim uni say sa nose mask ya na sen ya na abo wo mo so say de eja gboku dua bag ebo ni so yi so uni say na no mo si ton
eba fo
see won so ma sha see atutu
say ye ka say yen san say 1 cedi ba be do 1 cedi
kola nose mask no crowd o de ba ko 3 cedis
e ka say
en kola nose mask
kola mo no ya kola
3 cedis I'm telling you ada na nipa bi pese e fa yare we hu na o fa yare we hu bo bia poa na nyame amfa fie na yade na mu hwehwe ba be chiwa na sika ro de ye de labi ana asema meka nti o ye na nipa na nya bi sika nto bi o yire so na nipa na nya sika nto bi na nipa ro kote na bi a ada o ba be bisa
o de be sane wa
o de be jawa
money all has to do with demand and supply demand and supply. Now
but reasonable increment until they make an answer.
Na sanitizers wo hoda dada. But she time wa yare ne yes an mu na no. She said the omo e man the price no call ya akodu ye. Atwamene bo pa.
Na me ka ba be si asem so say. Edru sa manfo yere so sa na e ma local production in do so.
Yeah.
And normalizing. It seems that this time around local production has article form.
Yes, almost
with regards to nose mask and I don't count. They say me sure some more be first, some experience more.
So they can do it even better.
Local ones.
Sorry, this was our France doctors be say nose masks no and you need to bet me abo no equals.
But it is better than none. Yes, the other day, almost a documentary be a share. So almost say, I don't know, if you want more intimacy in year, but still no cry, no, a yet chance say, we should be cry.
Opening, Abrofi, by or Mocambo for Cassie. The Omo ye and Okran, I'm warm to say, exactly. Yea, measures in our own way of Juman to my pimpami, a by my area conform. It's yen sign. Sadia no so yempam ni ye this time around na ye reservoir no at least
some people say toilet Ghana yet me ya de bebre
and I make they say sika because we dey the biaje so uyu ba mienu
o man we University of Science and Technology and tuma kwa de
uyu tu
that last sika so
it is sika ni nyina aka from ha ebe boa me ekono
when you China
oh yes
I'm careful I said paper a plastic sanso no etimi nya no man gwagu
etimi ai
na de tiye nya bi wo ha say nya import
sini enim say yare no ko
kwa dollar no unu say ekosoro the ton iron rod ni nyina bibia ekosoro metro bibia ekosoro
enti me de ma de sere de ni say local production
no is any more but we ntimi a tro do no
ejina he
masa ejina ko followers bureau ni kubisa kwa me your story
kwa kuna me kasa fa
enyo no ko fa dollar sem bai
dollar de obi ana obi aka che oda say o win katia e ma pimples
oh yes o can't me
Matia
ba me nye nipa pimples wo me ho
you go what is answer
you can cry me
say so win katia just say Matia sama ya ka na to enkrofo tri enti madam fi kwale friend kwabna mani na o pimples wona nim te on katia de ko sukro wa bida na we na
ono sa na owo na nim mo na sen ko win mo pa nke no sa
no sa wa
pimples e group pa de edun so onum bi na de bi sira so
atiefo tie no mo gidi o radio ni mo
adro bi a kire me ntimi fan sha me ngo
wa sa adro we tie wa o jo so no bi tie
wa o de na obi dun so de o ko fa no mai de wa o dun so obi tuma nu so bi
na nim say enkrofo bi no mo adro
dun so
wa na djuma me ba cho me nim ni ba ba je
dun so ba mo ti bi de ba ye djuma na me bi wi
na sa won fa nware
me prescribe e ma obia so try na be bo ade afa
we call wachi
ba won say
kwaku
dem say me sa na tie de anka odo sa bom kakra na yes na ko baby and dey say here
pimples ade empekra ne say osoro no
ah mi wi
a say wo di dware ya ni
ye ba be hwem say ti
research na ko hon na de tie ne say anukura bi anim say wo win katia mo be na say wo bi a pimples wo hon da na wo win katia be ba
ba say ayi say ohun say gra no mo pimples o mia ohun say
bo say white ne ba
say katia be o mo kapena wo bia na o say dia make
sa dia no
wo shom na president ni as o bia
bon papa ta de no
Nezo.
Eto say. Oh, what?
Kwaku.
Ade.
Yeah, pimples are me and answer on the no.
When na oboha.
Oh.
And you tell you no pamba. I hear one on.
Kwaku.
Anyway, Kauro pepe.
Kwaku and okra woman say nyankatie and mapi. And I will be soon I will ria. And yan na bama do.
And a pimples and answer pimples.
And your post.
Chidia pimples.
A pimple. Two days in the count of pimples, but and your pimples.
And pimples we have been one Kwaku. I feel so. I don't have the emperor crown say ayo na umia your panika no. I'm one of visa.
It a buy in yan and
no big Garinia city.
Anyway, we and Dr. Crack, I'm me chow no crap. Me a beer a more sabaco pc ever be sure. Me gentlemen see one and one.
There was a story be a chat some years back.
But the old boys owe me enough for Froba.
Sa na check kakra. Obi mia bi wonanim e ma obodam. Omukoye owuwie na omukoye nhwehemu no ene ehu ye se sa eno na okoye ye no se baby a vein kuna na na dwuma a woye no
also no can no need three face
edi o disconnect line
single face
omia na dwi no se na we disconnect sa line no
who say adwen bi wa say ahoma ni bi ate bi am ka say atia ma na ka no nko ana ko sa be su na so
ana wasa kote sa no ndi ote sa main one pena say eti fast one no
eti kwaku atira tiefo say obi a pimpos won anim ma ne mfo so
emia onya no
madam from mo gari ni asichi no de anim ato sa ne e bolo say bia na pimpos won anim de anim to sa ne e pimpos
me twa nkrofo me say etimi ya sha na si wo bi obehu bia nka o be na no peso me twa nkrofo nsa ho de aka wa na say
da bi no umia za no anya de
o bi anim ya ni so nkrofo bi mpene ma papa
onu say se ne korobre wo koye sa
ana wo nya bi
obetiti papa
enti ya se ebesi woni ma mem wo bre no e ja sa ma ne wo ho
ba e bi so ho de e binum de ehu
ba kwaku ba
minim guy bia ni wo school a ono ne de no esi o say ya e kesi ana foforo asa be si so
aden
ebi mu de ano
2 in 1 hwe
kwaku esi ya kase obi wo one pimples no aye problem ama na wo mpie kura wia I'm telling you
na de kire wia
debi se ne ni ma ye no
opia no ferry
a man it
onye makeup
we ja black spots bebre won ani
onye makeup no mpie
osoya no pa na ni bompu ni mpo a
kwaku unim se ebi mu wo ho a
omo akohwe omo adada no ompie no ya yeso oba cha dwa no enu one clear ni omo akra
oya feeling
you go obi na utimi gina more than 20 minutes na nipa ni mpie ya
ba me na oba me ba hwe wo fie anopa na me ba no wa makeup sa be suspect and a party two abia o say
no do suspect ni e dey
cause go we say time you hold there at normal circumstances there as o koto oba I say the one wo di fie na we dey we koi ye bo gina ayi akire ho saa
ayi makeup yi on ye ni say won twi na biribia say nka bra no
makeup and normal circumstances say nka ye on a special occasion na kawaye then it makes you look different befitting that event only but emeya ekwadwuma on the daily Monday to Friday otuku da meba otwi saa de call adwuma pepepe edu Sunday okwa sori so a wosan atwini de den ya no de akọ ebi se uti anye yi na se Saturday na obetre fie si ne makakra no wedding bi ba eno so wosan atwi na chese 7 days a week na so wo twi e dia
nyame de ne nye
e da bi enye fine
de kwa so ya me twi makeup
hardwin
Wa ko bi wa twem ne nim afa.
Hwe.
And nim akasa kra ye hunu da. There are people in this country like that.
Me wa down for girl bi. E wa sorry. No ye makeup. Na one day bi oba sorry no ye makeup. Me hunu na me friend. I'm say, "Hey, you are looking beautiful today, papa." Hey, Charlie, nam dem safan na say, but now when him face na no ye makeup. No. Oh, and chair.
Corona brain na do sa go fo.
Ti asem na make no. Ti asem na make mu ne dia ya cho. E na me unim say since that time no. Be a year ni onye make up so. Oba so bia nanim sa. Opsa.
But not on for say bia. Onye make up na na ho nyefo.
When you see her very beautiful pa. What I say?
Usam crofo ani mame kwa
o ma ne mo zidro mo
usam so obi sam wani na the police station yan o boss tro dia e case
ye be ni bibi ugo sam obi inside den ye be yo bibi
mo bi bom kale sam sikwaku siko sam ne
utirizo ate akọ onye comedy ze hu ba
o ko me fa sa de mo entwam
si ne go sam na nimbra ne ngo
aye ama sam akwaku ye kwan yi so
ya
adi phone no oya so oya bi furu car na say ba oya so oya
ya anu o ba yisim growth mi wia
o say de ama my hopa and say omo be na pa o hono if you ho ba no o jansen so e kwa masama ho
and say say area mu akronfo eye tromani asi ho eja heba ne eye Franco estate jansen so no and I say su kra so makoso obi moto kra yentam ho ne de o intimi ma ho
ka be mo hon de
because say every bia ayi akronfo bi ba hwe e free police for say o yempen krama o mani Yes, you are paying grammar and
I want to feel.
Oh, Miss, your grammar and
It's good. For any years, I say, my do phone, and I saw my time back. But my was it the whole day?
All right, my main come here and something rooms is here and Trasso and Pacho Royal drinks here come for their mom. Ed, you're on a sort to Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. There was a Becabiano, a Koyipa. Nina and say Obama was account there 2 series 50 pesos per Royal Drinks or see you go like them. We another quality product if Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251 na 0272 133 373 na bibia so akoyi lady na me say say on you make up you know I said to me say I am listening to you pa I won't mind you. Oh, that way. Oh, for over a year, you on your makeup, you yeah, on your beam, and me once I asked her, making no crowds on was on your makeup beam, and she's beautiful, nice.
There's nothing wrong with doing makeup.
No, but on every day,
the morning is coach to require makeup.
You move in a way from Jam. Why, ma? Yes, I know.
I was on Patron Nokia said they on the Android smartphones are but Junior, you're Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, 2.4, you're on a 32 gig, and you're on a 24, 64 gig. Your man more megapixels into unya beautiful pictures and videos and no so no long lasting batteries and so now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other apps no perfectly well on account there when you be jump and patch your phone shops ahodo ni nyina mu okwa obenya new Nokia Android smartphones we call other call traffic light Georgia phones are message or ben best sort out come up Nokia it just keeps getting better now for Go TV say and they big things there, yeah. Intimate settle for small ones. Now, what I say, choose to Go TV. Say, baby, me I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sport and the La Liga and this year games. Ni now, or upgrade to Go TV Max. Now, they are with me actually. Now, you get the best in sports, best in entertainment, in fact, best in everything. When you feel now, papa, baby, yeah. Tenefie, now enjoy action now on your Go TV live with me. I connect to our bro using my Go TV app. Pay by the point and now say mobile money agent be or be on Go TV. Leave it. Love it. I feel you're finalizing that.
Yeah, twice the Anna, I also go. I'm in your corner. You can see a Sana Ghana so and Dr. Amakutu for. So, Kaisama. She said, school feeding a month for every kind of power, but apart from that, no, I yet to make a saving over different places I Ghana has seen. Now, I'm not going to cry. Is he? And Tiamaniana say, a dear.
Yeah, can one say,
your boss wa na I say, na papa no nipa sam de me chese ya de bi ekoma ama me yam sheme more they just say there are people who can call ambulance and get it in 5 minutes. There are people who can afford every medication that they will ask them to go and buy, yet they are going. So ordinary Ghanaians, ghetto youth, Mr. Omwa, and Yamana Yakasi and Yano,
Yeni so fefe kama.
Kwakunim say India say Yakasa baby on your coffee.
Oh, yes, you got to mama wash. Oh. When I heard the story, I was like, wow. And they are some granny. I said, you want to ask for now. I do I guess about you go. Say, you can port your tomb. Or being Kobe Mac. I say more. And no idea acquaintances with American places. Able to be now, one who said, oh, me, baby, I'm more yet event why in the public change on by flags and quan on disease you out to represent people. Anka on a normal way no anka honi na anka nipa na gina wo na ko mu na gigjon fefe ekidicta flags near the but we there yeah the national flags near the CC one sa oh Charlie very pathetic some way the idea we dey we are see there this in nyame bom yes I dey be adwen we also a boss kindly wish my boss Mr. Frank Konto a happy birthday for me. May the good Lord bless him more than he ever think of. Okay, you.
As a papa, just what they are better, oh yeah, dear. Almost say to a base, we better to us. I said, Ben 20 sika. So,
sorry, yeah, before, yeah, before, for the Avaro.
Say, my you is a bed here. Will be
yeah, before,
and on and
say, oh, do you work when you're bad? Yeah,
oh, yes,
where is up? Pacho, happy birthday, so come Inspector Faustina Kuma, oh, Amasaman Divisional CID. That day.
Asa.
Oh, money in Anquada.
Made a minimum who be sir.
Come to do some
many fears say, I said, near dear.
The uncle forms Asano Swan Chess, a pal.
Yes, me, John, me fast, I didn't know crochet, me horse, mesa. Say in there. A serious bar.
My mammy, you supposed to say,
for sure to know.
You cry me, I don't cry.
I don't cry. You might say free him. Oh,
say the bear and nanny. Say, I'm sure
I only best them on the piazza record. As a one nanny.
And they have one point you can give before I go with you. Oh, they will say, yes, so you're Bernard and say, and Tumuno baby, woman cocoa kitway.
Now, offended you had the answer.
Say, offensive, Miss Roman for Modern and Kodikawa saw them. Maybe I am a very sorry. Cocos, you try our wiggy. There is a Brazilian cocoa in your cocoa. About cocoa town. Yeah, I'm as a cook.
Oh, may you inspect a Yama ground. They say, happy birthday, Koma Inspector Faustina Kuma. Oh, Amasama Divisional CID. Nyame Usha, we fear Japukunche. Okay. You fancy, right?
Maybe I shall me a police officer be over. I'm a person with Chiam.
Okay. Not Yancha, a
man.
Yancha,
Captain now cry. Ujele baby will be a one soldier for now for phone me to check the man. And a tundra so yeah. That a well-built policeman here.
Me one in the picture crowd. Me picture. Me for my side
and we are by no please about the urine remedy. Please does it really work?
I'm not a herbalist.
Oh, a police ni a Obonana.
Obonana, yeah.
And Yamina Anka or cry. Nkofo kwa abona wutwi nenso ne ho yesi de ne ho ye
okay miancha ayi amenu so
ntia se ne nipa no no itu obona na ya ma team ko ate de aka no nyame be na bibia e fan ho de asan ba na wasan suda de wa nyame serious pa achis nyame amfa fia na nkrofo kra so wu ndi amafo kra temane is kra de amafo abo na wuto kra wi dada but nyame nkumu a oti asefo e kwa what ase
Becky say ono so yanchia no so e post ni
Becky adwo Becky
kokko bi susu wo to muto kokko fine pa me
police ni ba na ni eden say Becky na ni eden o ja bo adwuma pa obo adwuma correct pa okay Rashida said please a happy birthday to my brother and a friend Bismarck Obeng aka Usikani USA Bronx New York and our so Rashida's always show God's blessings, God's guidance, protection over your life. Yes.
Tani ade no se be wukura de ni nyame ntwa so
na ga uja ketu ya prepare
sanso de enye yiye
se de be wu de o ntwa so
David enye yiye yenye ne sa okay so yenye na yenka de aka ngumu a sharp na fi yen sorry sunko na adwuma kakra bi aka wachiri wa ese mitimi hwe na me clear ni na aprekona mfanche me abuso go ansa yen kan cho se coronavirus no guso ho enti oba eyen fu because how do ni na be disubi na bibia enti bia akoye di amount aya na keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants now fe wash your face mask and also very important wash your hands with soap and running water you provided when service stations how do ni na across the country na ekoba se obebo wa na se obesinizi so ana we use tissue dia koba ahene ana wa no owie pen we disposing off into a bin na se koba se you are not in a position to wash your hands aya kai so be use alcohol based hand sanitizers CB and also betimi abo na I recommend say be yanka use your electronic payment card make sure the go card let me abo and minimize the cash transactions abre nyina goyo ya dia na feti fellow Ghanaians ene enka boka kra ho no say sunlight 1 kg pack no yate so say 7 cedis 50 pesos only 7 cedis 50 pesos per and yet 10 cedis 50 pesos anymore 7 cedis 50 pesos enti to sunlight 1 kg no yate so say who obi antobi fa kofie bibia ni awatimi dia ron na aye kama yate sunlight 1 kg pack no so kai say 7 cedis 50 pesos per so go on and grab yours now na afi yenkoye ni mu no na ye confirm say from the 2nd of April 2021 year you know you'll be required to present a valid national ID card. Abribia beko Momo agent point bia say okoye transaction ewo ho. Ye we say be bo ho ban watimi ato aso a gisika na why your transactions ahodo ni nyina in a safe and secure way. Enunti ena ye ka bomu no na che say we're good together what I say. So just Momo it everywhere you go. And no air kokoba fi MTN for aswe eba edema wo mema refi so say betway so asesem say games p now wa betimi abet on na onso watimi edisika titidi na akoye edema wo enye football nkwa ntie ne from football to roulette to esports to horse racing obetimi abet woni nyina so now we need so you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. Visit www.betway.com.ga to play today. Remember to bet responsibly. Under 18 CMBN count. Betway, for the love of the game. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. And then so enkomode papa bi na apiemu. Na sembe na be ya semda watibie. Ni nan say Easeway Savings and Loans. Extra reduction rates omo loans ni na eso and Easeway Savings and Loans all government employees a massive interest rate reduction on loans. It to take advantage of sa offer here baby what me accessing new loan and now what transfer or loan with other institutions to Easeway for a cheaper rate. Now obetua a lower monthly installment. Now wait me extra money at the Niama Hodwa Aka Ediama War. Wait me apply this year and then you get up to 100,000 Ghana cedis within 45 minutes. For Easeway Savings and Loans is here on 050-160-5773 and our fee 0244-914-171. Yes, sir. Branch B will be a Bura or a brand. I am wow. Terms and conditions apply. Easeway, fast and reliable. Happy birthday also going out to Ama Segua. I hope say Dines our North Carnation Swan Lake. You are 24 years old today. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins and prosperity from Emmanuel K. Obeng of Achimota. Sexy lady. Korean, not annoyed. Baby, not more. John, not annoyed. Being a norm. Korean, not annoyed. Baby, not more. John, not annoyed. What I'm saying. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Okay, so baby Edway, Yenfa way in Trim Sisia na fe Yemeshe and Koboka Cray Hona Yenfa and Twelso.
Just cute him.
So I'm playing this one specially for you. Abena Poma Odame. Eva Abena Poma Odame. You are 7 years old today. From your mom, Linda, your grandparents, Commander retired Odame, and then Abena Poma, wishing you the very best of the day, and you know, better life in God's blessings as well. And you love this song, No Darling. Catch it? Featuring Kwame Eugene. Enjoy it.
You mess up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? Did the pray make us fall? Kai, you dreaming? Yeah. You mess up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? Did the pray make us fall? Kai, you dreaming? Yeah, Wusuna me, Transrumo, Wusu crew and Bemo. Don't you know, say God in control?
And also a happy birthday going out to Gillis Hyde. May all your secret wishes come to pass. From Jamestown, J. Cole. Enjoy your birthday today, Gillis Hyde.
Into Oda. Social media pressure, Jamin and Yampa. I saw from try it. Yes, the bank or what to pay me up to Nevias, you'll be at your wassa.
Oh, they may know Yadri, Atopa, Musam Dosu, and I mean you are the make
no
at one Sunday. I want some doors, papa. Anyways, now time for more to say.
Obadi Adom ye papa.
Okay, yenim komo.
Me da say e wa kwenya ode ama me de kan ye de encha sronko every free time Herbal Center for ya so ye de abre Adom FM etiefo ne adofo nyina. Me pacho mo me nhye nso se obi benya wa na efiyare. Ama mene wan se fi yare me pacho entenase ema yare enka wonto abrekwa ye di edupa aba se ope abibidro papa fie dia eye time Herbal Center for ya so ana mekanfo edi ama fi se abrado yare be ba oba be chichiro ha mu ache no be di brekuma bi betu ha wona se edi ama eno nti gi ye number yi hawa fam yare tete me pacho frɛ na ne doctor eni ho nkomo no nso ntumi ma odro fi se nupa edi abadwama so na bia ne dwumadi di oni paduanim ti abra wo chichiro yare ne yansu etumi Odre betumi aboawo your number is 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me patrol ye nupa no so called drugstore license chemical shop pharmacy shop bia wonsa ebeka bi impomo muton rom de ohwi balum obi ani de gutrog so hia bia wo se ope time herbal mixture NK engine herbal capsules time herbal mixture NK engine herbal capsules me patrol hye so se obi an chese niti enye no mo sa da obenya chese nampa na onyaja enu nti dane de nyina ma time herbal mixture emmel ba bia obetu kwan akọ anama obetu bia na ekan ho nti na wo bia no pa wo bia wi bia nwumre ebesiesie ni pedua na aboawo samson KNG herbal capsules nso be support immune system no ebema wonkwamo no ho ayedin me patcho mo hwe de time herbal mixture ye ka time herbal mixture edro we etu malaria se papa obu na malaria tete no malaria di nya na me patcho mo me nhye nso ye be hwe statistics bi wa hasisi a obu se malaria hu na ekum ni papa ye hwe oman mu anasa African ha se ye check records a ye afimu ni nyina ni padodo mu wu eto nananom said na malaria ntine 445,000 yemra chese yemreki na emra month yeba na bosumi bia yebenya chese 37,083 peoples omuwu na malaria enti yema de bia nipa dodo omuwu eto nananom said na malaria na 1,218 me pato yare we chese ebi abada na sempo yare ben aba dan de nyina timi ma nipa dodo to nananom said say malaria hunti me pato uti edi malaria to anamon anase entina sintwentwon na ase mansa enka time herbal mixture enu ni adra Food and Drugs Board Authority agi atum se obi bia ma ne nsa enka bi na omobo bi na emwa ne nipadua no enkodi mojanim afusa ne fese ya aboa tontom female anopheles mosquito hye nso obeka se kima eye parasite no odi wura nipadua nim na parasite na ebe wura nipadua no mu didi akọ liver no ye brebo no na abro makọ brebo no mo bota yesu o mani so ene se omo kose o brebo no na abro ma se brebo no awie no mo sanso edidi akọ red blood cells nim me patcho brebo no dwumadi edi buan ene se esoni moja so anase enuane ye di bo se fertilizer ni chese chemicals no brebo no eyisa chemicals nyina efiri nuane nim se de be a ewura nipadua no mebetumi aye adwuma na ye adwuma yi se wotena se ma ye malaria parasite be se o brebo no no msanso ko red blood cells ni ma me patcho omo bedu nya no ombetetew ombe mo akadem ombe ma oni oma aye basa omba ni oma dan nyina chese esiri ede siri akwa bi ntumi emma wanim eno ntine se ma nsa enka time herbal mixture me patcho malaria parasite no ye 5 different types na die ne ho pa ne fe no Plasmodium falciparum ono oba so pe acha na wotwe anase mpo no 10 days obi was ye na nse miti dwamen miti epae me miti abo me ga obi so se ye awia krampo obokra na awode me ma no kaboso me ho puse che me pacho symptoms of malaria ma onsa enka time herbal mixture obi so kokete so wontumi enna omunu kofa na omuna bafa obemnum ni sana ade ache me pacho wanhwe ni ya wantumi ana na adwene okwa akoda wo adwumam na se wadwuma wura beto wanhwe ni wayi wadi anase onuadofo de ebesine bia na wampe enu tine se ma onsa enka time herbal mixture dure tu etidie ase eno no abra wo bia wonunum bi no bo se ye waduro ne wa adupa me pa hye nso se batakari abu eno ntia me hu kremo papa eno ne bebre na aba na nso utu anamo atiska akoto aduro no hu adura utu a obenya mfasode ewo so enkoto adura obenum bewie na wo yare ne kwa na ekosoro da bi eba ne se ya wanhwe ababu wani na wusu me pa ma nsa enka time herbal mixture aduro na me kanfo dia ma ene den abra obenum bia obeso bi behwe no na bo se ampa onuadofo aduro no chese yenim adwuma nti yensuro broni eye adwuma oni padua ne papa papa me pacho yanhwe obi so a enam ati de abeso ne suntin nanum ato ontumi enidi aduane besi kwabena ne anim ohwe aduane anim se ya no wa wusu ne ti ne wapia si nkyɛn honhom ne pɛ nanso honam no ayemre onde onyanko bedi nanso nyoma enkoye me pacho mansa enka time herbal mixture me pacho waposo no ye oya na wuti na edwao ahomre ewo so anase dan de nyina wuti nkasa se mmoa bi ne nam widie nim obi timi ne nse dwene widie ne nisa nso wo hwehwe me pacho eye symptoms of malaria enu ntire se malaria ehu no me pacho entena se eme enkan o ma malaria eku ma yenkan obusuani bi enkan wa breko ye di adupa aba time herbal mixture abra bubo bia ununum bi ne siesie ni pedua no ewura mojanim ma mojani di afusa ne kama na malaria parasites no omudidi akọ na omudidi akọ mojanim o eye mojanim na omde ohaw no ebebro na abra wanom time herbal mixture no time herbal mixture so ewura mojanim edi mojanim afusa ne wontini ne be ye adwuma bia ese eye eno ntine ne de ya wutie me se ma wonsa enka bi bisa abra bubo bi ne wankase bo nsenkyere ne ebeba woni pedua no so me kase obi wa wotie me wada de ntina wada yare aka no ato ho na aposo ayenmre wo se ni panamansa enka time herbal mixture abra wabobo bi awien acha ye 30 minutes wankasa bo mfifire bi ebesa no na after mfifire na echi no bo nso ho astart bio me sanso esie number no so bi mfire sisie ya na yare to yare how yare amo academy no one doctor enche kache doctor no mo odu na ho ento 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me papa wutie me mofo no mu koskum me pa chow abofo no nya from 12 years ago betimi anom time herbal mixture ene ye bute se omo ko boarding house no so maybe ema mofra no be kam akwese abofra bi okosku acha 1 week 2 weeks na waje chese exact no wabafi ade ne ti edwa no na aposo eye ne mre se yare kodi wa besinse wiem kwampa oni adofo sisi asanso ama ne homne so se wabofra no koskum na se okosho sa symptoms ya na se okokache teacher ni bi kwase ne ti pai na anhwe ne apam abofra no ama na befie nanso make say na ye malaria symptoms ya na edi ninya eno ntine se ma abofra ne time herbal mixture ne trankim ne chobos monfa bi enhyem onum bia no po onum bia wi onum bia nwumre me pacho abusua ne ye nkyemfa ye mofa ne nyina mu bobi awofo no se ye num bi na emmo ye ho ban eni kwa se yare tumi betena so ebedi yenya me pacho wo pa edu papa dia eye time herbal mixture eno ne betu eti de yare na se edi amount entena se nkotu ska engu me pacho entena se mfa nsan hye odamni fam ena mo bra wa bre nu awto ya amwo ntine obi wa no watoba ha search bell da na ntisa wonsayem ukudwa me no na hu de eba aboso ba ne ma eja epaye eno na to na amwo ne piani nyina si nchen ene da esuma anase wo mutu anamon ko drug store license chemical shop pharmacy shop bia so o to time herbal mixture time herbal mixture me pacho ebusuan ye nchemfa ye mubobi na ensiesie ni pedua no wa awode wo wa uti edwao wa honam eyomre wa aposo eya wa wuntumi enna wa wanum ato no abra wanom time herbal mixture awie no wankasa bonse se ye nim adwumenti ye nsuro broni na ye ka no so ye nim de ye ka bubobi na bedi ho adanse akere afoforo ebia me pacho unu bi eyare eda ho na wo di dwa wo koto aduane bi apa drink bi aka ho ede akoma no me pacho abra watoto nuane ne drink ni nyina awie no to time herbal mixture faka ho na me pacho odidi wie na onum drink ni wie onum aduro ni bi na onum wie abo se yes wa beche na de na wa che na de pa obeda wase obekanfo aduro no so e de ache adofofoforo na se omo so mo fa sa ati bi anim omo asa yare ha om no ono so bedi ho adanse e de acherom ye nyina ye mo time herbal mixture bro ni say prevention is always better than cure ye mo ye ni pedua no by entena se entwen e ma yare ni e mans na otu anamo se okoto aduro anom wan hwe bedu sam pempenso na nyoma akachi enu ti abra ye nom time herbal mixture no ne de K engine herbal capsules ka ho K engine herbal capsules aduro na ebe support your immune system na ebe ma nkwama no ho ayedin ye well being no ebe ye din ye me pa cho yisi yare ma na ema no ho so na se wanhwe na se yare bi eka ho to ana se mpo yare bia be ka ho to se ekima wonnyoma be basa anamo se utu dwumedie de wanim ni nyina ebe ginsemu eno ntine se mansanka K engine herbal capsules me pa cho eye white blood cells no mu ye ni peduanim no omno mu bo ni pedua no ba se be yare entumi enka ho to na de obe ya abo white blood cell ne se wo benum K engine herbal capsules na ekenya om no magina brane ene yare bi na obetumi ene wa bedi esi fi se wo soldiers fo ni peduanim me pacho be mebu anam se ne nkwamon ayemre the immune system ayi weak ntino dani de nyina nyoma ekoso na himfio no chese esenani obi ochiso timi tini suo obi akọ hospital doctor tima hwe nanim din se ke de ado de gise de rubber eto be mam di ntia wampe emua empa edupa anto anom ntia ma na yare na akosoro wo ye be ma wo tie na nse wo jo so be mam hihyew obe mam eya oya obi kwada waju so ne mu apa mi no wasere so afi ma wonta fo ma wonta fo
kwa na enye me amepacho yare na aba uju so na moje edi akira ma wonsa enka K engine herbal capsules me pacho nsansan na menu abema abegu bema no ho no K engine herbal capsules na nanwure me kanfo edi ama ma wonsa enka bi uyo oba so na nse pampa bi abeje ahemfio aboso na ma ne bebre na abra wabu ni nsa awie no chese wine menses awie no ho na pampa ne ebeje ahemfio eboso obewata sebsem trade asebo se na pampa wa ahemfio nsu fite be fi na ahemfio obent no ama na ahemfio kwan no abie bema ba na ahemfio kwan nani enje uyo oba na wutie me wani monyam eya ahemfio ho bobo K engine herbal capsules na emom so kwa drugstore me pacho yo ba tomienu ma odofo ba akona mumienu mo nche na monom na se wan hwe na nkwa akoto no ma me pacho wanu mawie na esiesie wo no osanso ne bema ne kodi nkitan wa besanso akofo ha no afri bema no osanso na ye bema tomienu na ne oba no mo nche na ensiesie mo eye K engine herbal capsules anytime herbal mixture ba ko enkonya ba ko eye ata ne ata ti abra obubo sa nuro mienu we no one yare ebeto nkwanta na wapai me sanso esie numbers ne so biem frɛ ye sisie ya me se yare eteto yare how apinisi a wo fam no me pacho frɛ ne mo odro na ho ento 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 time Herbal Center for now ti yenken frɛ yen yenso bejo so ama wo ha no to atwa e de ama wo ye chia obibia ye do bibia so ase
yenso era wan say Usutie 106.3 Adom FM. Just about 20 more minutes to wrap up the show and make way for the news at 6. And special shouts out going out to you. Oh Nana, my main man, yeah. Shouts going out to you. Oh yeah, Puma Service Station or PV or been runabout or Tema Community 5. Oh Nana. Oh Nana, you the man. Shouts going out to you, bro. My few brutal. Me tell some pass it through, but I'm in here around. Charlie, you go meet very soon. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so a quick one. Now, fe yamfa dia kana ento asuma.
Na lamte busienie last week oh. Now so this week omabusienie. As Lamte here say Go TV Max drop in price from 70 Ghana cedis to 60 Ghana cedis month. They didn't delay crap. Omoko upgrading one time. CCAD, yeah, the sports, entertainment, kids shows, and in Yama Bebre, Abre Lamte Busiamo Monia Giabroso. Be like the Lamte family. Upgrade the Go TV Max CCA. Here 60 Ghana cedis. May enjoy maximum entertainment for less. Cafe Dokra. Use the Go TV app no for connect with Go TV Max so and I could pay by the point agent to be in your area for maximum entertainment. Offer valid from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&Cs apply. Go TV. Love it.
Misika enso katia roba anonso enso estate 9 now so empower me to make tea me twa ni zuo me twati ya me twa sochi I do cream so be dwa idie amama easy cra 3 city so dia kwa me will be to me share I do cream committee ana me kokomu a jai I take down crown fan
book store treasure I do cream for ya be light blue asin say wa sochi na no so fem e dia hwehwe sa etwetwe nkrato mu agya to say
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kawasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. New videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing, uko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi as well. Nokia batteries here. We are singing that D1 dance you. What charge here? A Giraso one is a Giraso. When you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. Execute Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory, and now Nokia 2.4 they want 32 gig memory, and now 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 13 megapixel back camera, and 5 megapixel front camera, and with 4,500 milliamp battery, 6.5 inch screen, and 110 with the upgrade called Android 11. For Nokia phone here, will full show be a bell.
Grand finale. Mantam do siena shade wentiana say. Na working Frenchino. Emu mienu antia to mo finance ni mu. Ama samai ani kwashima. Wa mu wai ana aji kruwa ani atade Nancy and Dasuno. Some perfect community sports quiz final. So maybe that 30th January live wasn't perfect. Any Adom TV so and open Dubai Konia Shasia. Why they winning? I'm a summer and now question my photo from the field home from our social media platforms. I hope what is hashtag Asempa Sports Quiz. Asempa from Community Sports Quiz Financing and you will create a circle with 3 yellow treats. Down star 787 hash. One so big to me to be soccer bet. Your best bet for sports betting. Day by day, men from Dream Cosmetics. I don't go next level energy drink. Empower yourself. And a cheesy pizza. Your pizza, your way. As some perfect community sports quiz. Wapia. Hey, me network in Mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. So charges some quad 380 cedis. We send this can go charges on. Wait there, cement 10 bags so. Me ati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and can we service come break. Vodafone cash. Send me network ne dear. Tie. We send this car was our network no so no. Yet we send this car free network no so. Aqua network for phone. And no say yet. Name tia some dead pa. We send this car with Vodafone cash. Swap free. What's send this free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swap and so you free. It's work at them. What I saw you then was sour network and no so move for Vodafone cash says hey massa you chip not to ball I know say dear what's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap and you free. Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Star 110 has says send this.
The future is exciting. Ready? This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Just gonna buy was Kitty with say cheese. Into this one from the man Lord Pepper, and he calls this one Love No Catch You Before. Or don't chill that. Go TV and can't trust that big things are great, so never settle for small things. Choose to Go TV and watch me and enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sports. Men's like a Kraman Sanka or Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Wait me so upgraded to Go TV Max. Sebe Albania best in sports, best in entertainment, in fact best in everything. La Liga and Serie A games in our version live. Wait me I connect to our bro using my Go TV app, pay by the point, and now say mobile money agents be or bell. Go TV, leave it, love it.
Baby, I know say your
baby I do not fa fella and trust ma.
You be my wife.
Na fe em fa proceedings and bra awie. What I say?
You don't start your way. You go beach, you be Instagram, me funding to tell you. Me baby a draw so baby oh yo, me be for the tia. Nana chai, love no catch you before.
Yeah,
love no catch you before.
All right, it's filler time.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Hello. Oh, yeah, today is Thursday, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm good. You?
Nice. I'm also keeping well. Okay, so it's Thursday. So, what question do you have for us?
So today it's really simple. It's not as complicated as the last time.
Okay.
So today you would have to tell me the English name for Daddy Saying.
The English name for Daddy Saying.
Yeah.
Oh.
So simple. So simple.
Daddy Saying. I know of a guy. He's called Iron Man. And when you say Iron Man, then you respond Unipa Daddy Saying. Iron Man, Unipa Daddy Saying. All right, so give us a call now. 0302-216-561, 0302-216-562. Daddy Saying, how is it called in English? First caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Erica. I'm calling from Ghana.
Great. So help us with this one. What's the English name for Daddy Saying?
It's pot.
Is what?
Pot.
Pot.
Yes.
Pot is pot. Which pot?
Black pot.
Huh?
Black pot.
I can't get it. Black pot. Black pot.
Yes.
Ish. Okay. Thank you. Black pot. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening, Bossu.
Yeah.
That what's the name?
Cauldron.
No, your name.
Daniel.
Okay. So Daniel, what's the English name for Daddy Saying?
Cauldron.
What?
Cauldron.
Spell it and let me see.
C-U-L.
Boss, wait. Don't just do so spell the thing right. You said C what?
C-A-U-L. D-R-O-N.
O-N. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I got you. So thanks so much for calling.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, what's your name?
Akosia.
Akosia is calling from where?
Safari dear.
Great. Okay. So Akosia, what's the English name for Daddy Saying?
Iron pot.
What?
Iron
pot, like my friend Unipa Daddy Saying. Okay, Iron Man. Okay, this is Iron pot. Okay, thank you very much for Iron pot. Next one, hello. Charlie, the person is not ready. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your name? I know the country.
Christy.
Okay, Christy is calling from.
I'm calling from Olibu.
Christy, please help us with the English name for Daddy Saying.
It's Iron pot.
It's Iron pot, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Let's pick our next caller. Hello.
Hello,
yes, my dear. Good evening.
Evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And what's your name?
My name is Juliet.
Juliet, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Koforija, Cove Town.
Hey, I got you. Now they say it's no more a town, it's a city, so Cove City, you know what I'm saying? All right, so what's your age? How old are you?
I'm 12 years.
12 years. All right, so kindly help us with the English name of Daddy Saying, okay?
It's called Metal Pot.
It's called Metal Pot.
Yes.
Do I know? Okay, thank you very much. Metal pot. All right, let's pick our last two calls. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Please, what's the name?
Janet.
Janet from?
Tamanita.
Okay, so Jane, tell us the English name for that saying.
Metal bowl.
What?
Metal bowl.
Metal bowl. That was a bowl. Okay, all right.
That's a very interesting one.
Yes. Metal bowl. Last caller. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Faustina.
Faustina, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Latte.
Great. Help us with the English name for that saying.
It's metal pot.
Metal pot.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. So, big thanks to all those who called. Yeah, you've all done well. But let's analyze it. So we have metal pot and then iron pot. And someone also said something.
Cauldron.
No, not that one. That one is cool. But someone said another one that one's metal or something, that kind of thing. Yes, and then
metal bowl.
Yes, metal bowl. Yes, metal bowl. And then together with the cauldron. Okay, so all put together, they are in the same region though. Okay. But I think the
second guy.
Yes,
the second guy.
He was the one who mentioned the cauldron, right?
Cauldron, yes.
Okay, so that one is absolutely right. Yes. But I know more advanced what I say. And then the other one also they went there's this metal. Somebody said something, which you can also use but the right one is actually the cauldron. Yeah, that's the correct one. It's more that the same iron pot, metal pot, what pot. That's it. That's why I asked him to spell it, and he got it right too. The spelling was the exact one, if I should say. So C.
They know how to eat the banku.
They don't know and you see. What makes this one perfect aside the iron what metal what the description it gives.
Yes.
That metal pot with handles on it, and who said that the sense was with your hair. So this one befits it pepe. Yeah. So for those of you listening to us, Ubia Bisao that the saying you know what to say.
Yeah. The idea.
Yes.
You would have learned something.
You have to. You don't have to listen to us and go without learning anything. Yeah.
Okay. So Brajeri, do you know the name right?
Yeah.
It's Mami Boatema, the
Sharp.
President for the Brothers and Sisters
Association. Yeah.
All
right. Thank you so much. First Swasi Danny Meyer proud sponsors. Where are they? Okay. If I'm sharp now, you trust now. Vodafone saying cash or say who is Vodafone cash now? This and this can more be or Vodafone cash where you free and Joshi. Same way, so use Vodafone cash now. This and this can more be or any other network be aswa and also a free and charge Joshi. The other now says all the other networks no so ewa bra obey Vodafone cash now send it the same sikana obit me sending a free wa bra won't you. So just go on dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? You don't want to see for their support. Say a different bro. Okay, so I just had a message. Also, Jerry, can you repeat the name again and the spelling? Okay, Patrick spelling open CAULDRON. CAULDRON. What I say? That's what it is. That's the name for that is saying. You can cauldron. What I say? But it been moves on more phonetics for the day on camera. One back a crown cauldron. That's what it is. Yeah, fact. When last one of signing out now. Baby, unya be items a koye or a royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, royal cocktail, just no perfect flavors now here and there, bro. So go and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks.